Hello everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Today I am going to do the weekly reading for the sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon and Venus rising Scorpio, and this is the general reading, so it may or may not be resonate with each and everyone, so please take the messages wisely. And if anyone wants in detailed reading or personal reading, then you can contact me. I will share my contact details in the description box below. Okay, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, so that you will notify each and every video when I put. Okay, so now I will start for the sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon and Venus rising Scorpio. At the end of the reading I will pull the advice card for you, and in that you will get the affirmation. Okay, I will let you know that affirmation. What is the message for the Scorpio, Sun, Moon and Venus rising Scorpio? What is the message for this week? That is 21st July to the 31st July 2020. Please let me know in the comment section if the readings are resonating with you, and like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, so first is the Strength card in reverse, then 8 of Strength is reverse, 8 of Cups and 5 of Pentacles. Okay, so we will take the clarifier. Why the Strength is reverse? I think in this week you are walking away from the situation which is not serving you and which is not paying you very which is not satisfying. The work is not satisfying, the anything, the negative toxic situation, person or mindset, anything. You don't have the strength of to face it again and again. Okay, so 2 cards are telling me, but something is coming towards you. Even though you are walking away, something is coming towards you. It might be your ex, or it might be some financial opportunity, but I think it might be some of your ex who is coming towards you. That person has been left you in cold and now he is coming towards you. Okay, but you are walking away. Okay, what is the why the Strength card in reverse? The Strength card in reverse, the Strength card in reverse. Again walking away, walking away in the calmer water. Okay, so you are confirm, you have the taken final decision to walk away, or to go to your family, to go to your work hometown, wherever you feel joyful, you feel calm down and relax. So 2 cards are and you are not able to wait for that. You don't want to wait, you don't have any strength now, you just want to go away, you just want to go away. Why the 5 of Pentacles in reverse? Why the 5 of Pentacles is in reverse? This person may be Leo, Capricorn, Virgo, any sign, because there are, except fire sign, there are so many signs here. Why the 5 of Pentacles in reverse? Okay, 8 of Pentacles, 2 of Pentacles in reverse. You don't want that new beginning, you don't want to. Bottom of the deck is the Justice. Okay, so you have done with that person, or you have done with that situation, or you have done that mindset, and you just want to come out of from that. Okay, you are focusing on your work, you are focusing on your work, you are focusing on your creativity. Okay, you are busy in your work, you don't want to waste your time, you don't want to juggle in that situation which is not serving you, you don't want this beginning, you don't want any beginning with that person, and you have the justice card, so you will get the justice. Okay, the scale will get balanced. I think that person has been hurt you in the very bad way, or any hurting very they have been left you in a cold, so you got hurt and you don't want to continue with that. So this is a really good thing that you are coming out of this situation and you are focusing on your work, you are focusing on your creativity, your finances, you are busy in that things, so it is a very good thing. So I will pull some advice card for you. What is the advice for you? What is the advice for you? I think some of you, there are two 8s. Okay, one 8 is in reverse and one 8 is in upright. Okay, one 8 is in reverse and one 8 is upright. So you have been completed the cycle, the toxic cycle or anything. You don't want that pattern again and again, and you are coming out of that patterns, and the universe is going to give you the justice. Okay, whatever you want, it will be justified. Okay, justice will be done. See the 9th, 8, 8 and 9. Again the 8 of Pentacles. You might be seeing a lot of synchronicities. There are 3 8s. Okay, 3 8s and 9 also. So something good is waiting for you, something good will be come to your way. You just have to continue with your work and continue with your creativity, whatever you are doing, you just have to focus on that. Okay, so I will pull advice card for you. What is the advice for the Scorpio? What is the advice for the Scorpio? Or some of you might be going to your ex. Okay, you might be going to your ex, or you might be coming out of the third party situation, and you are able to see now that person is how much good for you or anything, how the relation is for you, what is the strength of that relationship. So you are going to go to your that relation or your family, you want to expand your family with that person. Okay, for some of you this might be the reason. Okay, this might be the message. Okay, for some of you, but the justice will be, you will get the justice. Okay, so you are just focusing on your finance. If you want to expand your family, obviously you just want to expand your finance, you have to focus on your work, focus on your finances. Okay, so that the new beginning will occur in your life, okay. But right now, for some of you, you don't want that person. It is up to you, if whether you want to continue or you want to go that person, you want to go to with that person, or whatever the situation. Okay, so what is the advice for you? Some of you, there are some legal matters I am able to see. Legal matters are involved, but in that legal matter you will get the justice, because see, there is the law, whatever the law, or any bond or any marriage or any you just want to come out of the toxic marriage, toxic family, and you want to do that in the legal way. Okay, so justice will be done. Okay, you just have to be in your show some courage and have some strength in you. Okay, so what is the advice for you? What is the advice for you? Divine side 7. See the divine in everyone. See the divine in everyone. Okay, divine side 7. 7 is a divine timing. Okay, so justice will happen, all the things will improve, but in the divine timing. Till that time you have to see the divine in everyone. Don't be harsh, be calm and helpful for everyone. Okay, don't hurt anyone. See the divine in everyone. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is King of the Unicorns. You are blessed with the majesty, vision and power. You are blessed with the majesty, vision and power. You have that courage. See, the number is 6. Scale is going to balance. Justice will serve, but in divine timing. Okay, this is the number 6. That is the number 7. Progression is here. 8. Lot of 8, 9, 6, 7. Okay, so you are blessed with the majesty, vision and power. You just have to be in your power. I told you, you have to show some courage. You have to be in strength. Okay, so now I will let you know the affirmations. Okay, divine side. Because unicorns see with divine vision, they only see the good in people. This card asks you to look for the God in others and they will respond differently to you. So universe and unicorns are telling you to look for the God in everyone and you will get help from them. Okay, they will respond in different way. They will help you, they will guide you. Everyone is not in that bad. Even though you have been faced, there are so many people who has been left you in the cold and they are very bad, but they are coming to you. So universe is just guiding you that see the divine, see the God in others. They may realize their mistakes and they are regretting for that, so you just have to take in that consideration. Okay, so your affirmation is I see the divine in everyone. I see the divine in everyone. Okay, and the second affirmation for you, King of Unicorns. Okay, the King of Unicorns. King of Unicorns. The King of Unicorns has an open heart, third eye and crown. He is mighty being and this is a special card calling you to stand in your power with dignity and majesty. See, I told you, you have to be in your power. You have show some courage, strength. You have that all the qualities, but you are not in that qualities. You are not in that power. You are not in power of yourself. Okay, so you have to be do that. Okay, because you have letting go you don't having control on the situation. You just like pessimistic for the situation. You are not showing the courage. You are not showing anything you are not taking control of your life. So universe is telling you, be bold, be courageous, have some strength in you. Okay, because you have all the qualities. This woman is holding the jaw of the lion, okay, who is very angry, but she has that courage to open his jaw even though he is angry. She is not scared of him that he will do anything wrong with her. So you have to calm down, you have to calm down. Scorpio, okay, for the king of unicorns, your affirmation is, I act regally. Okay, I act regally. Okay, so take that affirmations and please let me know in the comment section if the readings are resonating with you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want any personal readings, then please contact me. I am sharing my all the details in the description box. Okay, so take care and bye bye.